everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for stopping in. I'm going to be painting, I'm hoping to do an angelfish. Not 100% sure if it's going to turn out. I never usually am when I do my art projects. I just have a vision in my head. So I'm just going to get right to it. This is a 14 by 14 canvas in front of me with white acrylic already on. I'm just going to blow out some of the bubbles. And I want to first do a swipe of color to kind of get a background, and then do what I hope is an angelfish. And if you're just new to my channel, please hit subscribe. I'd much appreciate it. And for those of you that keep coming back and watching, thank you so much. I really, truly do appreciate it. All right. Now, first I'm going to do some dark blue and light blue, I think. Just a couple of random spots to get my background happening. Maybe a little bit through here. I'm going to do some of my brilliant blue. This has got a little bit of silicone in it. So I'm hoping that'll help give me a little bit of a bubble effect when I swipe it. I'm going to clean off my glove or I'll have it everywhere. And I have some sky blue as well. Just going to go through here, a little bit down there. Okay, I'm going to take my piece of plastic and I'm just going to swipe it right on through. Just lightly pressing. I'm not even going to wipe off my plastic as I go here. I'm just going to allow it to blend the colors. Start at the top again. There we go. So that's going to be my base colors right there. Wipe off my plastic a little bit. I'm going to give it a quick little torch. And I didn't put my microphone on. Sorry everybody, let me click that on quickly. I always forget about my microphone. Hopefully I won't put the wire in the painting this time. For those of you that have seen past ones, recently I put it twice into my painting. But all's good. My painting's still wonderful. Okay, let's give this a torch. Let's see what we get for some bubble effects happening. Just gotta give it a second, let that heat activate everything. Put my glasses on my head so I can see things, or I should say on my eyes. So we got a little bit happening here, a little bit happening here. I need a bit more in here. I'm going to torch it again. Now I get some white bubbles happening here. That's good. Hopefully some more start popping up here. Okay. So my main body, I think it's going to be purple and the dark blue. Might add a little bit of white. We'll see. I have a vision of what I want. Got to keep it in my head here. And I think I'm going to do it this way. So I'm just going to do some dots. Do a little bit more blue. do a little bit of white. I just put my hand in paint that I wiped on the table. Classic move of mine, seems to be. Right there, see? Never fails. Okay. So now I want to lay my chain in here. And move this guy this way and this guy this way. Let's see. Now I'm going to do a little bit more purple. Just did it again, put my hand in it. I'm going to fix that right now. Putting some paper towel down. You know you're not a professional artist when you put your hand in the paint constantly. There we go. Okay. That's looking like something. So now I just want to do a little bit more here, a little bit more up here. I'm going to use part of my chain to move some of that paint down this way. Perfect. And this one this way. Okay. And now I just want to move a little bit more blue here. I think I want to do a little bit more of my bright blue in there. Don't need very much. Purple. And a little bit of white. Okay, let's see if we can get a nice tail happening. I'm just going to slide it back and forth a little bit and then bring her in. Okay. Now I know the tail's usually quite a bit wider. Just bringing some of the color up that I just laid down. Giving it a bit wispy on the end. Okay. I want to bring this one down a little bit more into a point. Just a touch, and this one. Then I'm just going to draw a line where all my chain met there. I think I want a line down through here. A little bit in here. There we go. Now, what else do I want to add to her? What's another color to use? Maybe a light blue? Medium blue? Maybe there's a little bit of cerulean blue in here I can add here. Might be out of that color. Oh yeah. Okay, let me pick another one. Let's go with Bahama. Just adding a bit more color. Okay, well, this one. I'm going to steal a little bit of purple. Do it from here too. Gotta love the fluid art because it just blends so nicely. Okay, so now I'm going to take my straw and I'm going to blow on her a bit. Just to give her a little bit more of a whimsical . She's looking pretty sharp right now. Okay, what else do I want to do to her? Need a little black dot for her eye. Which I'm just going to do right there. I'm just going to dip my thing in this a little bit. Just try and get a little darkness there. Just adding a little bit of green around by her face. She needs to be more elegant, I think. So I'm going to add some white. Maybe a little bit up here, and a little bit down here. That's better. I'm just going to bring her body down a little bit more this way. And then I think I want a little bit of this dark blue, a little bit of the white. Just to add a little bit of detail to her. Having a little bit more of a motion happening on this floor area. Lighten up that darkness a little bit. I think I need a little bit more purple. Just right here. There we go. Well, let's give her a little torch before I pick her up. And there we go. I'm not sure if she totally looks like an angelfish, but she's the vision that I had. Thanks for joining me, everyone.